July, though in Canada, let days lie down by the border and watch the stars disappear in the exhaust.
And this is Jenny again. And we were gonna come here for a fireworks display, but we didn't get the train on time because we're apparently really bad at trains. And so we saw like a tiny glimpse of firework from the train, and that was very exciting, but it wasn't fireworks. So we're just gonna go and hang out in Barrie, even though we paid like £3 for tickets. It's not a lot of money, but for those of you who don't know where Barrie Island is, because you don't live in South Wales. Yeah, South Wales, I'll put a little map up.
We could go to the lake and drown our sorrows, burn all our hopes for a better tomorrow.
Oh, is this where we're going? We're going this way?
It sounds kind of funny, I've got everything like freedom and love.
There are like 100 billion people walking in the other direction.
I'll be waiting here till the 4th of July, when the distance decreases between you and I, when the skies ablaze with the burning heart, and we close our eyes and we fall apart. When the skies ablaze with your burning heart, and you close your eyes and you fall apart.
Welcome to Barrie Island! We're at the sea! Yay! Oh my god! It's very exciting! I'm very excited and very glad we came down. We're at the beach and I haven't been here for ages, so woo! So everyone's talking about how it's really great to be out, how it's really great to be on a beach with everyone. How it's really great just to be with everyone, really. And I'm super enjoying it, so let's see what happens.